Hi, this is Andrew from Berthon in Spain. Today I'm going to show you around Oyster 49 YATTARNA. She was built in 2004 by Boats Marine. Let's go and have a look around. As we step on board, you'll see on the composite gangway that it's embossed with the boat's logo, which I think is a really nice touch. Walking over that, you'll see the 2.9 metre tender, which is only a couple of years old. Also the same for the outboard, which is 9.9 horsepower Mercury. The stainless steel davits, and we've just walked across the large lazarette locker there. Coming up the side decks, teak is in good condition, as is the cap rail, which is also teak. The shroud bases there are covered in leather, which is nice. And then as we walk forward, you'll see the Harkin manual furler, Lumar windlass, ultra stainless steel anchor, complete with 80 metres of stainless steel chain, that's all new. She's got a large chain locker there. And some additional deck fittings for storm sails or lifelines. And then we're looking up now at the Selden aluminium rig. You can see the Maroon radar. The rig was out end of 2023, early 2024 for a full check and service. As we walk back, you'll see the dorades for natural airflow, the Lumar aluminium hatches, and of course those well-known Oyster forward saloon opening windows that give great airflow throughout the boat. The spray hood bimini and the cockpit cushions are all finished in this charcoal grey. Stainless steel stanchions and side gates. You've got two Lumar electric winches there, and then two secondary Harkin winches. Gin and tonic seats, complete with cushions. 6-man life raft, and a gas locker just under our feet now. As we look forward, it's the additional storage space there, another locker, two hatches for the masters, and then this great safe central cockpit. Have a Lumar folding wheel just to make it easier to get past when you're at anchor. Side power electric tunnel thruster, Marine autopilot control is also there. The cockpit table is beautifully finished, it's obviously been varnished recently. It also has an additional leaf at the front for extra space. Two cockpit speakers, then you've got your electric winch controls either side. Have a little look in the cockpit table, good space in there. And as we turn around, you'll see the Raymarine plotter and the multi-function Raymarine displays. As we come down below on YATTARNA, you'll notice how light it is. The woodwork's all in immaculate condition. The mast here is, as you can see, covered in that grey Alcantara leather again, suede. I really like this forward berth, it's slightly lower than you'd usually find. Makes it great for getting in and out of at sea especially. Reading lights, also the sides there are finished in the same Alcantara. Plenty of storage here. And then we'll have a little look into this starboard bunk room. These are quite spacious bunks, and again there's a lot of storage in here. There are fans, electric fans throughout the boat, reading lights. And then we'll go across and have a look into this forward heads. You'll see the door handles there are all covered in the grey leather, which I think is a nice touch. It's good spacious heads, electric flush toilet. Behind that panel there is the holding tank, which is gravity emptied. And And then we'll come back into the saloon. The saloon table folds out, so it gives you an enormous table across the whole width of the boat in the saloon. Alcantara leather again, suede for the saloon cushions. There's a TV just off to our right on that forward bulkhead. Lots of storage here, bookcase either side. The generator's under the saloon steps there, under the panel. And then stepping down into the chart table, you've got a satellite phone, Raymarine VHF with repeater, the Raymarine plotter, and a boat's PC. We'll have a little look into the engine room now. There's a Yanmar 4JK3, which is in really good condition. It's had a lot of work done on it to keep it looking good and working well. Engine room ventilation and an automatic fire extinguisher. The generator, which I spoke about before, is Northern Lights. It was 0 hour, so it had a major overhaul, so much so that they could reset the clock. So it's now only got 150 hours on it. Now stepping down into this great galley, lots of surface space. Looking over there, you'll see to the left of the stove is a chest freezer, double sink. It's a top 4 gimbaled stove. The toaster has also got the boat's logo on. Microwave oven, lots of storage space, and then off to our right is a fridge. Walking now into the master cabin. And see again those fans which are throughout the vessel. Again, tons of storage space in here. A nice sofa off to starboard. And then looking forward, we can see as a mirror, and then we will head into the master heads. This heads is incredibly spacious. Again, electric flush, Jabsco heads, gravity emptied, holding tank behind the panel there, and a walk-in shower. Electric grey water pump out drainage for those. And then walking back through the galley into the saloon. I look forward to showing you Yattana in person.